what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's about 11:30 at night, and this video is kind of a little impromptu, but I just felt like I should give a little bit of an update about what was going on with me and why I've been posting here recently. Obviously I know I haven't posted very many videos in the first place, but at the same time that's no excuse. So just wanted to let you all know that, you know, the past 2 months I had actually gotten married, went on a honeymoon, and after that I just took some time to relax and just kind of enjoy doing nothing, to be completely honest. But you know, we're getting back into the swing of things here. I got a lot of cool stuff coming up, especially this guy right here, the iPhone 12 in blue. We'll be unboxing that, and then I'll also have a review after the fact. And then I'll be doing the same thing with the iPhone 12 Pro Max after I get that ordered in and I receive it. Be doing the unboxing, first impressions, and review for those as well. And I also got a few products that were actually sent to me. I got a really cool backpack that I'll be showing off, and a bunch of camera straps. And with the camera strap video, we're also gonna be doing giving 2 of those camera straps away. So I hope you guys are excited for content. We're getting right back into the swing of things, and I'm excited. So I hope you guys are too. Hopefully we'll be seeing in the comments, and hopefully we can, you know, just keep cranking out some videos, guys. We'll see you soon.